So we are here with the product which is a parking lamp, or you can call it as a fog lamp also, for Mitsubishi Canter or Eicher Canter trucks. So this is in two colors. One is the clear color. In some of the trucks it is used as a clear color, and in some of the trucks it is used in yellow. Simple lamp, nice lamp. It has metal bases. It is metallized from inside. It has a polystyrene lens, a coupler for wire connection, these two bolts. The distance between these two bolts you can find in the description. And this is available as Bajato part number SL525.